tell me guys, int eno. Fetch employee age by ID. Employee management service. That's good. Fetch employee age by ID. Okay, here what is there? Use repo. What repo guys? Use repo. Employee age by ID, use repo. Use repo. Tell me what is their story to focus guys? Use repo. Double age is equal to EMP repo dot calculate age by number. Yeah, double age. Return age. That's fine. Okay, that's good. Great. Here is my what? Runners. Joda test runner. What is there? Joda test runner. Okay, where is this? Try. Double age is equal to EMP repo dot. Okay, EMP service dot. What dot? Fetch employee by age. What's the number we got? 100. Okay, we'll keep ready, boss. What is there in that? We'll keep it ready. Connection 1. Yeah, 619 dB. What is there? 619 dB. Tables, bank account, select rows. No. Employee. Copy this. Yeah. System.out.println. What is there? Employee is plus is. Employee is plus is. Tell me catch. Exception E dot print stack trace. Exception E dot print stack trace. That's fine. com.nt. Yeah, right click. Yeah, tell me run as Java. You have syntax error that corresponds to this. MySQL server version might have some syntax problem is there. Let me check. Curly date opening, yes. Curly date opening and closing. So def. Then there is no bracket here. Yes, function, first parameter, second parameter, whatever result comes on that we have. Okay, guys, that's fine. Let's see. It is definitely native SQL query, guys. 25.9317. Okay, let's manual calculation. 2000. 2000 means what? 2000 year, boss. 2010 20. 2010 20 means 25 minimum to November, October, December. That means 2 months. Okay, 25.2 has come now, 19. So nearby, right? Okay. Okay, we are getting the output here or not there. But if I do this application in Oracle, query changes. Why? Because this age calculation is specific to what? MySQL. Okay, this is a native SQL query we have written. So you want to check how it works in MySQL, but first of all, sorry, how it works in Oracle. So first of all, let me insert the record in Oracle, guys. To insert record in Oracle, all these things, take a copy, guys, say paste. Take a copy, paste, control plus shift plus C. Yeah, tell me. Driver class. What's the class? Driver class. Tell me. Aracle.jdbc.driver. JDBC colon, Aracle colon, thin colon, at the rate, localhost colon, 1521 colon, XE. What's the username, guys? System. What is the password? Tiger. Okay, these things fine. Okay, here dialect also should be Oracle specific or MySQL specific. Should be specific to Oracle. Say paste. Spring.jpa.database platform. Tell me, what is there? Dialect dot, what dot? Oracle dialect. Dialect dot Oracle dialect. That's fine. Dialect dot Oracle dialect. Spring.jpa.database platform dot. Where is this? org dot hibernate dot dialect dot, what is there? Oracle dialect. Okay, that's fine. This is my application dot properties. That's good, great, fantastic. Mhm. Now, first of all, go to runner class, guys. What is there? Runner class. Is calculation secondary. Is calculation secondary, guys. Here is what this. We'll try to insert the record here, and we try to insert the record. Fine. In Oracle, I want to insert was right click, run as Java application. Yeah, this is what 61. Okay, let's go to SQL developer. Let's go to SQL developer. Where is this here? Let's go to SQL developer. Connection one, system. What is there? Tiger. Say okay. Hey, what's happening? Is there any WhatsApp group for online student for this kind of update? Attend classes first regularly. If you attend classes regularly, you will get updates. Or I said I'll keep updates somewhere else. Password expire in 7 days. Okay, still 7 days is there. Now we'll see later. Tables, guys. What is the table we created? Employee. This is employee. Fine. Okay. Data. Record is inserted. Let me keep the magnifier on, guys. Yeah. One, that's fine. DOB, this fine. DOJ, 30th October 23. Vizag. Okay. Suresh, 1 Jan 70, all this. See, guys, we don't have, unfortunately, we don't have time, time data type. So time also will come as a timestamp. Time given time is 5:30. It's working fine. But what about date? Time also will come at timestamp. Timestamp need date and time. Okay. First Jan 70. What is there, guys? First Jan 70. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Hmm. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? First Jan 70. January 1st, 1980. What is there, guys? January 1st, 1980. Company. Okay. The date is fixed, guys. When our date is not there, default date is added. Okay. What is the number we got? 61. Okay, fine. This one is using 61 here. Maybe sequence is already there. That's why. Okay. Now I would like to go for age calculation here. But do you think that query will work here? Will not work. So we have to change the query or not there, guys. Go to repository. Go to repository. This is for MySQL. This is for MySQL. Copy this, paste it. Query. Here, direct attack, boss. No need of date, diff, all this stuff. DOB, sysdate, comma, minus date. What is there? Sysdate minus DOB. From employee, where ENO is equal to NO, native query is equal to true. This is for Oracle. Okay, this is for Oracle. That's fine. Yeah, right click, run as Java application. Yeah. Oh, again saved. Fine. Mistake. Okay, second record might have come. Don't worry. Because I have to comment this insertion logic and I have to keep this. I have to keep this back. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, right click, run as Java application. I'll tell the reason. Yeah, small bracket is missing, guys, nothing else. Sysdate minus DOB. Sysdate minus DOB. Right click, Java. Oh, still error. Yeah, that record is not there, it seems. Fine. Yeah, here what is the number I should give as 61? Yeah, 2519. This is coming nicely, boss. Right. Yeah, like this we can work with the date and time values are not there, guys. Okay. So now what we do is file, open, Spring, guys. Tell me. 619. 619 Spring Boot data JPA. Yeah, I think working with the date and time is over. 13 is over. Now I have to look for 14. Where is 14, guys? Yeah, working with large objects. Nothing but files. And I would like to insert images, audio files, video files to what? Database table as column value. where it is required, sir. You take job portal applications along with the text data. We have to insert files na resume. If needed photographs, think about matrimony.com, shadi.com, guys. Along with the profile, we need to insert what photographs are not there. Yes or no, na, guys? So when profile is downloaded, boy, girl are interested on photos and parents are interested on other details. Yes or no, na, guys? Parents are interested on other details. Boy, girl interested, where is photo kind of thing. Okay. Working with large objects, LOBs. LOBs are two types, blob and clob. Binary large object, character large object. Audio file, video file, image file, PDF file. These are called blobs are not there, guys. Okay, text file, rich text file, CSV file, and etc. are called what? Clob files. Almost all major database softwares are supporting what? Large objects by giving different data types. Oracle gives blob, clob data types. Okay. MySQL gives blob, tiny text, medium text, large text, tiny blob, medium blob data types. Are you getting my point there? Only in standalone application, large objects will be saved directly in what? DB table columns. Standalone matrimony application, standalone job portal applications, and what? Etc. In web application, distributed application, the LOBs will be saved in server mission file system and their address paths will be written to what? DB table columns as what? String values. To avoid performance issues with what? Database software. In standalone, large objects are saved directly in the DB table column by taking column types as what? Blob and clob. In web application means not one customer, huge number of customers, huge number of things. Each blob can occupy up to 4 GB memory. If I start keeping what? All the blobs in real database software, database will hang up or not there. That's why in website and distributed application, what they do, they upload files to server machine file system. They save in file system. Only their address paths will be saved in DB table column as string value. Saving string value does not need much memory, but saving files definitely needs much memory. Got it, guys? Getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yeah. Yeah. See, matrimony application, job portal application, social networking application. They don't save files, they will save only address paths. Okay, see, in standalone application, what I am doing, photo is directly saved in the column, resume is directly saved in the column. Look at distributed applications or web applications, guys. Look in distributed applications or what? Web application. In server machine file system, files are saved where website is running, that is called server machine web file system. And tell me, those address paths are saved in DB table column as string values or not there, guys? Those address values are saved in string values or not there? Come on, guys, come on. Super. One not one, this one. See, here only address paths. Here files are saved in server machine file system. Only address paths are saved. Here we are saving only address paths of files as what? String value. Will there be any burden on the file system, guys? Sorry, will there be any burden on what? Database software? No, because only paths, addresses we are storing. In some web applications or distributed application, the LOB is nothing but files. Will be saved in what? Separate CDN, Content Delivery Network Server, or DMS, Document Management System. What is there, guys? Document Management System. server, or NAS, network attached storage. What is there, guys? Network attached storage, or S3 bucket server, and etc. Either file system or third party software. From there we get the tokens and we insert tokens into what? DB table column. From there we get the tokens and we try to insert tokens into what? DB table column. Clear, my dear? Come on. Okay. And we get token IDs from those server representing what? LOBs insertion, and these tokens will be inserted to DB table columns as what? String value. DB table columns as what? String values. Matrimony application, job portal application, social networking applications, and what? Etc. Matrimony application, job portal application, social networking application, all these things will be saved or not there, guys? Come on, guys. Right. The entity class should have byte array, character array type properties representing what? Blob Clob type columns of DB table. What type, guys? Blob Clob type columns of DB table. Are you getting my point here, guys? Convinced with this point, my dear? Come on. Blob Clob type columns of DB table. So byte array, character array you have to take. Now listen, guys. Generally, while working with ORM framework, it's recommended to see entity class implementing serializable for two reasons. If at all you are using entity object also as what? Data transfer object to pass data from one project to another project, the entity object should be serializable object or not there. Super. Hibernate Spring Data kind of framework internally support caching. If RAM memory is not sufficient for caching, it will try to use hard disk memory. If you want to put any object data in hard disk memory, that too in file, serialization is required or not required. So by keeping both in mind, it is recommended to see entity class implementing what? Serializable interface. What is there, guys? In ORM framework like Hibernate, we take entity class as serializable class for two reasons. Nowadays, we are making entity class itself as what? Model class to carry data across the multiple layer controller service. Like sometimes we need to send data over the network from current project to what? Another project. So we need to take what? Entity class as what? Serializable class. Flipkart sending card details to PayPal over the network. The ORM framework like Hibernate support disk caching in second level caching. That means it uses hard disk memory through serialization while performing second level caching. For this entity classes should be taken as what? Serialized. What is serialization? Serialization is the process of converting object data into bits and bytes so that they can be written to file or they can be sent over the network. They can be written to file or they can be sent over the network or not there, guys. In entity class, @lob on byte array property makes Spring Data JPR ORM framework giving blob data type column in DB table. What is there, guys? Blob data type column. That means you have to take byte array. Entity class @lob on byte array property makes Spring Data JPA ORM giving blob data type column in DB table. In entity class @lob on char array property makes what? Spring Data JPA or ORM framework giving clob column in DB table. Clob column data type in DB table. Clear, my dear? Super. The Boolean property data true false of entity class object will be stored in what? DB table as a number column value 0 or 1. 0 for false, 1 for what? True. In Oracle MySQL database software, there is no Boolean data type support directly. So numeric column holding 0 or 1 will be taken for Boolean data type or not there. I forget about all these things. Right now I'm developing standalone application. I'm planning to save what? Blob and Clob values directly in DB table by taking data types as Blob and Clob. By simply taking data types as what? Blob and clob. By literally taking data types as what? Blob and clob. Are you getting my point, my dear? By simply literally taking data type as what? Blob and clob. Okay, that's good. In entity class, at the rate lob on byte array. At the rate lob on what? Character array. True, false. In Oracle MySQL database software, there is no Boolean data type support directly, so numeric column should be used. Fine. Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. So now I will go for large objects insertion. In Oracle, we have Blob Clob. In MySQL, Blob is there, Clob is there. But tiny blob, medium blob, large blob, like this. Similarly, text is there, medium text, tiny text, all this stuff. Tiny means small. Okay, fine. Okay, first we concentrate on saving the things. Okay, we will take a job seeker. We try to insert job seeker ID, name, address, and resume photograph. One resume, one photograph. Okay. Byte array with at the rate lob annotation. Character array with what? At the rate lob annotation. Will complete our task or not there? Will definitely complete our task or not there? Okay. File new. Where is this? Spring Starter project. Spring Data JPA Pros 9. LOBs. Nothing but what? Files. LOBs, nothing but what? Files. Tell me, JR. Spring Boot Data JPA. Say next. Yeah, MySQL. In future, I may talk to Oracle. Okay. MySQL Spring Boot Data JPA. Say next. Say finish. Yeah, tell me here. What is the one we have to take, guys? Versioning, custom methods, all this fine. Uh-huh. Large objects files. Okay. From here, you take up this application dot properties. Copy this, guys. Copy this. Say paste. Copy this. Say paste. Where is this? Project 9. Yes, here is the story. Say paste. Yes to all. Application dot properties. Close all editors. Close all what? Editors. Right click new package. Com dot nt dot what dot? Com dot nt dot. Com dot nt dot service. Com dot nt dot repository. New package. Com dot nt dot entity. Next. New package. Com dot nt dot service. Already there, na? Okay, fine. com.nt.runners. com.nt.runners. That's fine. Here is my entity class. Where is this? This. Hmm. Okay. com.nt.this. com.nt.entity. com.nt.what? Entity. Here, what is the story we have to worry, boss? Entity class. Job seeker. What is there? Job seeker. Job seeker implements. What is there? Serializable. Yeah, optional, guys, not compulsory. Yeah, entity. What is there? Entity. At the rate data. Private integer JS ID. Private integer JS ID. That's fine. At the rate sequence generator. Generator is equal to gen1. Generator is equal to not generator. Name is equal to gen1. Sequence name is equal to JSID underscore sequence. Yeah, tell me, guys. Initial value 100. Allocation size 1. Allocation size 1. Tell me next one. Hmm. Generated value. Okay. Generator is equal to gen1. Strategy is equal to 1. At the rate ID. Is not strategy 1. Strategy is equal to seek. What is there? At the rate ID. Private string JS name. Next, private string JS address. Private string JS address. Next, private string. Private byte array. What array? Byte array. Private byte array. Byte array is a photo. Photo. Private char array. Resume. Resume, biodata, you can say anything. Yes, guys. At the rate column length is equal to 30. At the rate column length is equal to 30. Got it? Yes. Super. Next, copy this. At the rate column length is equal to this. At the rate LOB. Next, what is there? Next one, at the rate LOB. At the rate all arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. At the rate all arg constructor. At the rate no arg constructor. That's good. Okay, we also take required arg constructor. Yeah, at the rate non-null. At the rate non-null. Yes, boss. We are ready with the story. Now I need to develop the repository now, guys. Yes. Let me take up the repository. Interface. Tell me. Job seeker repository. What is there, guys? JPA repository. Say what? Finish. Yeah, tell me. Job seeker. Where is this int is? Job seeker repository. Int is. Yeah, job seeker repository. That's good. Yeah, tell me next one. Service. New. What is there? Interface. New interface. Tell me next one. What is there? I job seeker. I job seeker management. Management service. I job seeker management service. Tell me. Public. What's there, guys? Public. Tell me. What is the story to focus, guys? Mm, Job seeker management. Public string register job seeker. Register job seeker. Right click new class. Right click new class. Job seeker management service IMPL. Service IMPL. Tell me. I job seeker management, sir. This. Tell me next one. Private. Yeah. Where is this job seeker? No, I have not taken I. Yeah. Fine. We'll take it. That's good. I job seeker repository. What is there? JS repo. At the rate auto. Yes. What is there? At the rate auto. That's fine. Great. Here is my what? At the rate auto. That's good. Tell me next one. Use repo. What, guys? Use repo. Yeah. Tell me. What is the story to focus, guys? What is the story to focus? String message is equal to 1 minute. Int ID val is equal to JS repo dot save JS dot get JS ID. Okay, tell me. Job seeker is saved with what, guys? ID value plus ID value. Job seeker is saved with ID value plus ID value. Clear, guys? Hmm. Ayo, can someone help? No, no, no. You cannot lift here. Uh, do you think you are Bahubali? Huh? That too single hand. At least you can try with two hands, right? Bapre. I must appreciate your confidence, right? Okay. Job seeker with the this is a regular boring one, guys. Okay, now we have to go for runner class now, guys. See, but from end user, I will see the entire magic is there in runner. Why? Because from end user, I'm going to get the path of the file. Using streams, I have to locate the file. I have to get the content of the file, convert into byte array and character array, then set to entity object, then pass the entity object. So this entire work I have to do in what? Runner class. Where I have to do this work? Runner. Okay, I'll take two runners, guys, to avoid the confusion. Class. LOB is, what is this? LOB is insertion test runner. What runner? LOB is insertion test runner. What's the interface I have to take, guys? Command line runner. LOB is insertion test runner. Here is what? Command line runner. Okay, that's great. Tell me here, what is the story? Right click. At the rate component. What's there? At the rate component. Tell me, guys. Here, where is this? Private. At the rate component, private. I job seeker management service. JS service. At the rate auto. Auto is at the rate auto. Okay. Simply, literally, what is there, guys? At the rate auto. Okay. Fine. Great. Tell me. Okay. But before that, I'll take try with resource. Try with resource so that I can open streams and other stuff, right? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system in. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Yeah, remaining streams I cannot open there because I need to get the path of the file, right? Yeah, system e dot print stack address. Control plus. Yeah. Okay. Read inputs. Anyhow, job seeker ID will be generated dynamically, right? The job seeker ID will be generated what? Dynamically. Are you getting my point, my dear? Yes. System dot out dot println. Enter JS name. Enter JS name. Tell me. String. Name is equal to sc dot next. Enter JS address. ADDRESS. String ADDRS is equal to sc dot next. Next, enter photo path, JS photo path. Path I am asking. Enter JS photo path. Enter JS photo path. String photo path is equal to sc dot next. JS, what is next one? Resume path. Here is what? This resume path. Sc dot next. Clear, my dear? Super. Okay, that's great. Resume path has come, this one. Array, by mistake, if any things are extra characters are there, I want to trim them. On safe side, boss. Let's trim them. Okay. Why? Yeah, you do that. Focus is on this, Ranaina, not on that. Okay. Try. Tell me. File input stream. Yeah, you can take a read. We can take input stream or output. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of photo path. What is there, guys? New file input stream of photo path. One stream is ready. Yeah, tell me next one. File reader. What is there? File reader. Reader is equal to new file reader of what is there? Resume path. What is there? Catch exception E dot print stack. Catch exception E dot what? Print stack trace. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of photo path. File reader is equal to new file reader of resume path. Is that clear, guys? Super. Okay, that's great. Yeah. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of photo path. Reader is equal to new file reader of what? Resume path. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Tell me next. Okay, now convert. What is there, guys? Convert. Yeah, here I will take byte array. What array? Oh shit. Byte array photo content is equal to null. Char array resume content is equal to null. Yeah, tell me. Convert photo file content to byte array. What array, guys? Byte array. Yeah, tell me. Photo content is equal to what is equal to, guys? Photo content is equal to JS service dot what service dot JS service JS not service dot fine 1 minute yeah FIS dot read all bytes. There's a direct method, guys. Read all bytes. Whatever bytes that is coming. Convert Okay. Resume file content to what is char array. Resume file content to char array. Resume file content to char array. Everyone getting my point, my dear? Come on. Hmm. Yeah, tell me, guys. Photo, resume file content to char array. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, tell me. Resume content is equal to reader dot what dot reader dot not coming, boss. It is not coming. 1 minute. Fun. What I do is 1 minute. Hmm. We have to read it. We have to read it. Reader dot get reader dot. Why is not coming? Here I have taken file reader. Reader is equal to new file reader. Hmm. Is there any option we have, guys? There's no direct method is coming. No direct method. Reader dot what is there? Read is there. Okay, now I understood, guys. There's no direct reading. File is equal to new file of okay resume path. I'm pointing the file. Next, char array. No, already there. Resume content is equal to new char array of file dot length. I think you understood, guys. Yeah, file dot length. File dot length comes as a long. I am taking it as integer. Nothing is there. I created file object pointing to this. I got the length of the file. Having that length, I created array. Having that length, I created what? Array. Okay. So now reader dot read. Reader dot read. What is their resume content? So because of this empty array is there na? In that empty array content is filled up. Reader dot read this. And that means everything is now moved to resume content. Come on, here direct method is there, that's a good news. But here direct method is not there, that's why you are doing this hangama. First I got file, sir, why are you taking file object? Otherwise there is no provision to get the length of the file. That's why I'm taking this. Okay. Fine, guys. Okay. Create entity object. What object? Entity. Create entity object. Tell me. Job seeker. Job seeker JS is equal to new job seeker of new job seeker of yeah name. Okay, name. What is their address? What is their photo content? Next one, resume content. Job seeker JS is equal to new job seeker of name, address, photo, content, resume content. Okay. This is my create entity object story or not there, guys? Yeah, definite. Yeah, that's good. Tell me, use service. What is there? Use service. String message is equal to, what is equal to? Yeah, JS service dot. What service? JS. Register job seeker JS. Register job seeker JS. Are you getting my point? Yes. Register job seeker JS. System.out.println message. System.out.println message. That, are you getting my point, my dear? Yes. Fine, that's great. LOB insertion test runner dot Java. What dot Java? LOB insertion test. LOB insertion test runner dot Java. com.nt. Okay, fine, we'll see. Where are you printing the reply message, guys? Yeah, printing. Let's check whether it is really working or not. Run as Java application. Yeah, boss. Yeah, it will ask some queries, guys. Enter JS name. Table created. Okay, look at this. Photo blob, resume clob. Automatically created or not there. Maybe it is pointing to Arkil now. Later we'll see in what? MySQL. JS name. Okay, JS name what? Okay, Raja. Address Hyderabad. Photo path. I have some photos. I'll try to paste the photo path. E drive, class content, images. What guys? Images. Here is what? Images. Yeah. We'll take one image path and we will take one resume path. I think Akshay Kumar image is there. Let's use it. Akshay. Yeah, we have this, na? Yeah, any format, no problem. Akshay. I'll put one in file, guys. Okay, in future also we can use them. Yeah, tell me next one. Resume. Say paste. Slash. And for escape sequence purpose, 2 slashes na, guys. If you keep reverse slash, single slash is enough. If you keep reverse slash, that is good. Okay, na? Right. That's fine. Got it. Say paste. Enter key. Say paste. Oh, no, same is coming. Okay, resume path is different. We have taken either 2 slashes or single slash with reverse mode. Job seeker is saved with ID value what? 60. I think I have to search in what? Oracle. I have to search in what? Oracle. SQL developer, guys. SQL developer. Okay. Connection one system. What is there? Tiger. Connection one system tiger. Okay. It's still not going to expire. Where is the table name? Job seeker. Job seeker. Yeah. Resume has come. Resume content is appearing here only. Okay. Photo you observe, guys. Open in what value? Grid. Show in grid report. Show in what grid report? Cancel. How to see this photo? You just double click, it will open, it seems. Oh, yeah. Image, guys. Yes. It is now. Outside image or inserted image? Inserted image. Are you able to get the things, guys? Okay, now let me make this application pointing to MySQL. Yeah. Yeah, this is pointing to MySQL, guys. This is pointing to MySQL. Yeah, tell me. Enter. What name, guys? JS name. What is their location? Address, Hyderabad. Yeah, whatever it is. Photo path. Shah Rukh Khan JPZ is there or not there? Yeah. For escape sequence, two slashes are required now, boss. Resume path. What is there? Biodata. Image only came, huh? Okay. Biodata dot T. That's going to be resume path now, guys. Yeah, inserted with what? Value 100. It's in MySQL, guys. Say refresh. Refresh. Tell me. Say refresh. Okay. Job underscore sequence. Show rows. Yeah. Tell me 100 this. Look at the data types that have come. Long text, because it's taking long and long, guys. That means bigger blob and bigger text. Interesting, guys. Okay, now come to this. Yeah, so that's a qualification only, nothing great in that. Yeah, his photograph got inserted or not there, guys. Yeah, like this, we have to take care of what? Insertion of the large objects. Are we saving in file system writing address paths or directly saving in address paths? Directly saving. It's a standalone application. We generally save in this one. In web application, what? From browser on one machine, web server on another machine having website. So from browser machine client file system to web server machine file system, we copy the files. We simply literally copy the files, but address paths we link it with the other record, other information of the record. While retrieving, what we do, we take the address location from the table, we go for download activity. That is in web application. In standalone, one user at a time, na, this really does not matter. So there, what we do, we directly insert, we directly retrieve. Entire magic is there in streams, na boss. So generally, text content to read and process text content, we use character stream, file reader, file writer, buffer writer. To read and process what? Non-text files, audio, video, audio, all these files. We take the support of what, guys? We definitely take the support of what, guys? Come on. Uh, this one, it's streams, file input stream, file output stream. Okay, data input stream, data output stream. Input output means byte streams. Reader writer means character stream. To read and process data of text files, character stream. Non-text files, we have to take the support of what? Byte stream. Okay, that's great. Let's see how to work with the byte array connectivity. Lob, byte array, photo, lob, character array, biodata. Remaining all are regular, guys. Here we are working with what? Streams. Here we are dealing with what? Streams. Yeah, entire logic is there, conversion, all this stuff. Joda, date and time. Yes, okay. Now since some time is there, we'll work with different types of IO streams. Different types of, what is there? Java IO streams. Yeah, based on byte streams. Based on data type, this one, character streams. Based on direction, input stream reader, reading purpose, output stream writer, but we don't need this. Okay, summary on IO streams based on data type. Yeah, byte streams work in 8-bit, suitable for images, audio, video, PDFs. Platform independent. Base classes input stream, output stream. Common classes this one. Reading image and sending. Character streams, guys. Okay. Give me as a table. Yeah, tell me. Data handle binary data, text data. Data size 8-bit, 16-bit. Base classes inputs, output, reader, writer. Encoding support, no, yes. Suitable for images, text file. Internationalization, not supported, supported. Example input classes, filed input stream or buffered input stream. File reader, buffer. Example output classes, file output stream, object output stream, file writer, print writer. Performance option, buffered input stream, buffered reader. Usage recommendation, use for what? Non-text data, use for what? Text data. Yeah, different types of streams. Binary byte stream, text character streams. Okay, so this is about a streams concept or not there. Sir, you are not calling close method of the streams, not required. Why? They will be closed automatically because they are opened in what? Try with resource. Are we opening directly or they are auto closable, guys? That's why is there any need of opening them separately, guys? Okay. So now what is left? Retrieving of image. What is there? Retrieving. That's a big task we will discuss later, right? Why? And after retrieving, again you have to create and write to file. Why? Because right now standalone CUI, can we display image on the CUI part? No. So what is being retrieved again should be saved in one file now, so that we get the feeling it came from database stored into a file that is created on file system. So that's a big process that we will take up in what? Next session. Okay. So now let me upload the notes, guys. What is there? Google Drive base. Tell me here, what is the 25 2509? Yeah, Spring Boot data JPA. Let me save the document. Let me save the document. Right click, file upload. Yeah, where is this? 619? 619. Yeah, tell me. Working with the large objects, 14. Yes, we are dealing with large objects. Good, guys? Right. Fine. How, how do you need to do serialization? No need of doing serialization. Yeah, tomorrow and after tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have regular class. Next class will be on what? This class continuation is will be on what? Second 2026, right? New Year. But tomorrow, last working day of a year. Mm. So there one common topic, 11 o'clock common topic, Spring Boot JMS. January 1st also, 11 o'clock common topic, that is on what? Spring Boot JMS. That's fine. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.